This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing files and choosing where they go. Connect your device or sign into the cloud. Once done, open the Gallery Import panel and pick the source. Make sure to set import quality and duplicate rules so you don't fill storage. You should assign an album or tag immediately because that makes later search and sorting faster. Once imported, glance at thumbnails for corrupted files and mark any to re-import. This saves time later and keeps the gallery clean. You now organize and improve your images. Start by grouping into meaningful albums and adding tags or keywords so you can retrieve photos quickly. Then perform bulk edits for common fixes. Straighten, crop, and adjust exposure to match the set. Make selective edits on important shots and use non-destructive tools so originals remain intact in case you need to revert. Once done, sync changes to your cloud or device to ensure edits and metadata persist across platforms without losing quality. Finish by exporting and sharing your selections. Choose the right format and resolution for email, social, or print. You should enable automatic backups and version history so you can recover earlier edits or lost photos. Once shared, verify recipients received full quality and update album permissions if needed. If something goes wrong, import failure, missing files, or sync conflicts, first check the cable or network, confirm supported file formats, and free up storage. This common troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.